So hello guys, did you hear about the hissing sounds when you're steaming the milk? So lots of barista are confused about the hissing sound or how they will gonna steam the milk properly. So lots of barista, they know how to make the pattern, but the problem is they're steaming. Some barista have problem in steaming because their steaming is bubbly or no foam like this. So hissing sounds is uh, the most important. You need to understand when you're steaming because hissing sounds, it's an indicator of the milk will gonna have foam. So this I will gonna teach you today. So hopefully you will learn from this. So let's do this. Okay guys, let's go back to the hissing sounds. So hissing sounds is like this. When you hear that, that's the hissing sounds. It means it's an indicator that you're now creating the foam. So when you hear that, one or two times, you need to submerge your pitcher up. And also, you will see that your milk is swirling like a whirlpool. And if you hear the hissing sounds again, you need to make it submerge again your pitcher. So you will not create more foam because hissing sounds is a warning that you are now creating foam. So when you hear the hissing sounds, you need to submerge your pitcher so that you will have a good steaming. So okay, I will show you like this. Maybe this is the time. So let's do this. Okay, let's do this. First purge, then put only the tip of the one. I hear two, I up. I hear again, I up. Now I don't hear, that's why I will continue. Then spinach. Always purge this. So I have here the picture. I will do flat white. The same yesterday. So let's check my art. So if you see guys, the steaming is perfect and the foam is the steaming is very nice. So hopefully I help you again. So thank you, have a nice day.